In section 2.4e, HQ SIP trunk redundancy to PSTN. In question 2.3b, you build a SIP trunk between the HQ call manager cluster and backbone IP address 157.26.1.11 and to enable H.264 over IP, voice over IP between HQ phone 2 and the PSTN phone. Now, since that call has failed, to various reasons that call could have failed, that is a direct connection between your call manager and the backbone. So there is an alternative SIP trunk available called 157.26.1.253 for you to try the same call. So the basic goal is that your first call will go through the SIP trunk to the backbone, and once that fails, it will take an alternative route. The difference in this scenario is that when the call goes through this backup SIP trunk, it has to go through this router, which is the R1 or HQ router. So therefore, there has to be configured cube on the HQ router itself. So you're going to dial this particular number, and you want to make sure that the caller ID remain 8202.xxxx. So we're going to validate that, and we're going to also make sure that you have option ping enabled for 30 seconds. And most likely, if you're not sure what codec that is supposed to take place, you can turn on some debugging to learn the SIP capabilities on the backbone side and adjust your configuration if necessary. You should be able to place a successful call by directional H.264 video call. So first thing first, we're on the call manager. You're going to add a SIP profile. Unless you already have one created from the previous lab, you can continue to use that. Under device menu, we're going to go device settings and SIP profile. So we're going to create a SIP profile out of the existing one, or you can of course modify the one that you already have created before. So the standard SIP option ping, that's just a copy of the standard SIP. So you scroll down, and typically you can say early offer support for voice video insert if needed, and then you select this option called option ping, enable option ping. We're going to make it a 30-second. Oops, my mistake. Ping interval out of service trunk, 30 seconds. So you can go